Hi guys, you know this health is wealth and Ayurvedic medicines come with cure, unlike allopathic medicines where people have side effects. But here in Ayurvedic medicines, very less people in the world knows that these medicines have got global demand. Internationally, these products are getting sold like crazy. So I want you to explore this opportunity with me where we can help people with their health and at the same time we can also make wealth. I'm going to give you a plug and play ready-made e-commerce business opportunity where you can just get started with this business and start generating cash flow. I'll also show you that how in e-commerce marketplaces like Amazon and other international marketplaces, how much sales are happening of these Ayurvedic medicines and herbs that we think we only know in India. But foreigners are also buying and they're making crores of rupees in sales. So if we can start, since these products are all homegrown in India, and we can just package them under your own brand, I'll help you in the whole setup so that you can just get started with this ready-made business. Now let's explore this opportunity. This is going to be the plug and play e-commerce startup for you, where you'll be getting the Ayurvedic herbal health medicines and supplements from my side and my contacts. These suppliers have all these products. We can go for unbranded products. Unbranded products will give you the leverage of labeling in your own brand name and then directly start selling in e-commerce marketplaces. So I have opened Amazon.com and I'm simply searching for one Ayurvedic herb that is called Ashwagandha. And as we can see that 90,000 people bought in the last month at $30. That means $2,70,000, which is approximately 2 crore Indian rupees worth of sales someone has just done in 1 month. That means in 12 months, he can easily achieve about 2.7 lakhs into 12 months. If you calculate in Indian rupees, about 25 to 30 crore rupees he can generate in just 1 year's time. Same way, if you see 4,000 sales the last month at $15, 3,000 sales. So this is just about one single commodity I'm showing you, which we can export using the e-commerce portals. We can also leverage Etsy.com. We can sell through this. We can also sell internationally in Singapore's website, that is Lazada. And you can see so many sales are already there for these products. Rakuten Japan also has got listing of Ayurvedic herbal things, which is in Japanese. You can translate and you can see. Same way, if you see noon.com, that is Dubai's website, again, it's another foreign country, and you can see that Ayurvedic medicines are listed in this. So it's a very easy to use plug and play e-commerce export business where you just have to get a few suppliers who are making all these medicines, list them into the e-commerce portal that I'll be giving you, and start selling them in bulk quantity as well as through social media channels. Everything as a plug and play you can do. You can make crores of rupees. You already know that so many people are already doing great in this, and it's a never ending market. You will get your own commerce store builder where you can just change everything and make your own completely. For example, this is an example website. You can just transform all the informations, whatever is there, to your own. So what are you going to get from? You're going to get the complete all-in-one program, which includes mentorship so that you can get guaranteed e-commerce sales. You'll get buyers database, you'll get the store builder and the certifications that I'm showing you here. So with this program, you'll get 17 certificates bundle. You'll get this format in video lectures plus live classes plus practicals on the e-commerce store directly, and you will be able to make sales. So all the certifications are globally valid. Practical training will be there fully online, and you will be able to make sales. So this comes with lifetime access, lifetime update, lifetime of support, and with mentors of IIC, you'll be able to do very well. So even if you're a student or a working professional or a business owner, entrepreneur, or a freelance consultant, it doesn't matter because this business we are going to give you as a fully ready plug and play business. And if you have some idea of your own, we are completely open for giving you guidance and training on that as well with the same program. So you can start your own e-commerce business today with us with IIC. So all these recorded contents plus ebooks and white papers and different formats of study material will be giving you so that you can master the art of e-commerce, and you will also learn how to get work on different digital marketing softwares. IIC is already working with many government bodies and institutions across, including corporates like Alibaba and Amazon and universities. So it's a fully credible and trustworthy institution. You can see some of our gallery images that is going to give you the proof that yes, we've been working with entrepreneurs in the past and now we are offering fully online, but we are making it more practical so that we can give one-on-one support and training and attention to each of you. Now, these are the profile of our mentors and experts. And a little profile about me is also there, which gives detail about like how I started this institute, how I started career with Alibaba Group as their global partner, and with Amazon 8 years as the program director. With all the past experience that I have, you will be able to learn a lot of these things. And with Indian e-commerce, the brand is fully credible. It's registered under Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Ministry of Education. Government of India as a Section 8 PPP, that is public-private partnership. This is my own e-commerce stores backend, which I'm showing you, and this is called Shripur. And here I have listed my own products. I have about 8,000 plus products I have with me. So similarly, how I have built my e-commerce store in the last 30 days, how much sales are there, in the lifetime of how much sales are there, all these things you can see. Same way you can build your own e-commerce store. You can transform this e-commerce stores design and looks how you want. A lot of themes are already there, and I will be giving you software tools included in this. You can just start working on this. So you can design your own website, you can have everything under your control with your own domain name, and you can also add your own staff in this. You can directly get payment from your customers through PayPal, through cash on delivery, through Stripe, and even manual payment. I have also added one additional thing, that is the search engine optimization and multi-language support, so that anybody from even foreign country can come to your website and see your website in their language. We have a very strong, robust marketing structure where you can actually do a lot of promotions by giving flat discounts and freebies and loyalty points. So everything is included in the same program itself. You do not have to pay anything extra for these features. So back to where we started, I was showing you that this one product, Ashwagandha itself, is getting so much of sales. And if somebody in foreign country is buying such quantity of these Ayurvedic herbs and medicines, so why not we start this business by ourselves and start selling them? I'll help you to set up this entire business, and we'll be working on making a few crore rupees of annual business together. So let's work on this. Join me in this business opportunity. Let me now explain you about the costings and how much time it will take for you to get started with such a business opportunity. So everything is plug and play, and what you are going to get from me is the store builder, the e-commerce operational support, that means sourcing the product and fulfillment and everything. I'll be guiding you, mentoring you in the entire time. For digital marketing, I'll be giving you software tools, and I'll also teach you how to work on that. And apart from that, I will also help you to set up paid advertisements and how to connect with marketing influencers. And more importantly, in addition to that, I'm also giving you complimentary buyers database and suppliers database. So this is just a very basic cost to cost thing that I'm giving you, so that you can simply get started with this business opportunity. This is an investment. This is not some amount you're spending on something. This is an investment that will give you a lot of returns, because once you have this e-commerce business, of course, it is definite that you will be making profits. As you start making profits, the value of your e-commerce store also increases. Nowadays, people are even selling the e-commerce stores to potential buyers. Like big brands are there, right? Mama Earth, Nykaa, and many more today. Sugar Cosmetics. So what you see in that, they are all doing billion-dollar valuations because of what? Because some sales is happening and somebody is there to mentor them and give them direction. So exact same process I'm saying you to follow. If my e-commerce store is generating about $1 million in sales, now just think how much is the value for the store and how much amount I can sell that store for. So same way, today if I have to sell, it's like a real estate property for me. I can easily sell it about 50 crore rupees, because I'm able to make that kind of sales and I'm able to make that profit. So I will be setting up the whole business infrastructure for you, contacts of suppliers, the whole mentorship and everything, so that you can get started with this business immediately. So don't delay in such a wonderful business opportunity that can transform your life completely. Join us now.